one, go. This is Gaius with the magical science of nature. See how cold the water is. We've already done it, but I want you guys to show how pain it is, how much of a pain it is. Okay, ready, Grayson? Ready? Okay, come on. Okay. Time for the wonderful natures of science. I might be a little bit hard to hear, but this is a landfill. Landfills are like a chunk out of the earth that water take out of it. So it's like a giant thing of water just like comes out and then just like takes a chunk of it. It's super cool. And it's also kind of dangerous. But you know, I went over there for science.
Okay.
It's a bat. We did a little skip.
But are we gonna go all the way back?
I don't know if it's that long.
Maybe it's there's just the short and it's gonna go to the ocean.
Probably like a mile long. So now we have to go all the way back.
Let's do. But everyone, and guys, let's go.
Let's go.
It's too hard to get. We're like 100 miles away. It's where he's gonna do all of this stuff. Down, up, for this stuff, to that.
And that concludes the walk of danger, or whatever I called it. I don't even care anymore.
The walk of danger. Let's see. We're gonna be for
I was gonna tell you a fact, but I guess we could watch this real quick.
No, come on, do it. Guys, do that.
Okay.
Guys, do that.
So if you didn't know, streams and rivers like this are either from rainfall or they just connect to the ocean. This is how plastic gets in the ocean, kids. Don't litter. Recycle. Please, recycle. Scream, recycle.
Scream, recycle!
Oh my gosh. Probably running. How do all these plants get here? The cycle of life. That's all. Now it's time to go back to the landslide. Hope you guys remembered what I said. There's going to be a quiz at the end. So stay tuned. Come on, Mason.
Whoa. Guys, sorry. We're still doing this, but we're to do a cut. Don't be quiet. Don't be quiet. Help, don't be quiet. Hold on to the. Don't be quiet.
Now let's go about the inside. I'm going to show you a lot more cool things. A little bit more here, and a lot of it at home. And Grayson did not get bruised, but she did.
My guys and my mom got something that guys already said, but seriously, hers the worst.
Huh?
Hers the worst.
She's not the worst.
Let's do my things here.
Let's go inside your ear. He knows nature is a beautiful thing. Plants are a beautiful thing in life. So are vegetables. Vegetables come out of the ground. Or because they have seeds inside of them that you're able to plant. So like, example, pumpkin. The reason we can get infinity pumpkins is because when you open a pumpkin, They use that for pumpkin pie or just pumpkins. But have you ever noticed the seeds inside? Those can actually plant pumpkins. And some pumpkins come from pumpkin trees. I'm pretty sure I know this because my friends, they have a garden with like a pumpkin tree. But anyways, yeah, isn't nature just a beautiful thing? So yeah, I guess that's the end of it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, one thing before you go. One thing. Name one of your favorite vegetables. Kidding, if you thought that was the end, you're crazy. So, I'm sure you know what a banana tree is. If you don't know, bananas grow on trees. Yeah, shocking. I wish they... Oh, no, you're fine, you're fine. Does everybody keep looking at my chin? Nothing wrong with it. Now let's talk about landfills. Landfills are like giant piles of water, and they just like take a giant chunk out of the earth, and like rivers and stuff. Some are caused by floods, some are, I don't even know what they're caused by. I just know what a landfill is. Landfills are a giant chunk out of the world that water like just took. So pretend I'm taking a chunk out of this. Pretend this is whole. Took a chunk out of it. That's what a landfill does. My hand is the water. So nobody knows how animal life had actually got on the planet. Like the first animal, nobody knows how. But we need plants to help with animals. Some of them eat those plants, like pigs eat apples. And then we eat their meat. Or for all of you vegetarians out there, we don't eat the meat. We eat, I guess you guys eat only vegetables or vegetarian meat. But still, vegetarian meat is like meat, but not really. But, we need animals to survive on this planet. Also, here's another important thing we need on life. Video games. Yep, let's talk about video games. No, we're not. But, anyways, yeah. So, the Earth took a long time to form. And there's about, as far as I know, 7 billion people on Earth. And we need these people in order to survive. Some of them help our jobs. And some of them are just fun some of them are just like YouTubers. They help us stay calm instead of doing nothing. You all know what time it is for the tree. The tree is the best. I love trees and so should you. Trees, I love trees. Check out this little bunch of branch. Check out these little trees. Barks, dings, 'cause they're fun. And they help us survive. They help us build houses. These are also used as paper. If you guys really think that is, only 1% of paper is actually in money. But tree does turn into paper. But if you're wondering how money is made, I'll tell you. Well, money is made not out of paper, only 1% paper. It's actually made out of cotton. So when you say, it's not like money grows on trees, it doesn't. They're being serious. And then you say, as a joke, well, money doesn't grow in cotton fields. It does. Because most money is actually cotton. It's not like fluffy cotton. It's more of just like a paperish cotton. Yeah. We also use normal paper, like from the trees, for books. A lot of people like books. Let me name a couple of books. Now it's time for the Kahoot. It's FGTV book. Or a different book. Oh, sorry, I think that's upside down. Or a different book, like Wings of Fire. This one is one of my favorites since it's one of my favorite YouTubers. That's it. Bye-bye.